This poor beast has been through all of it. And now we are completing our fork assembly. This thing had a major front end accident, bent the frame quite a bit, as you can tell. Nothing wants to line up exactly. However, it did get it much better. We went ahead and installed a dirt bike 730 millimeter front fork set and made the bearings fit. Called a Timken and local bearing places here in Houston. Luckily for me, Houston is one of the best places to get parts for automotive or things that move, because we service all the oil industry stuff. So we need to have a lot of things here now, and having 2 or 3 bearing manufacturers is a major plus. That being said, the last few things that I need to do are cut this tab here for the dashboard. The problem is that it's interfering with my bar clamps. The width is exactly the same, which I'm sure the original Onyx guys figured that out. That's why they had to have that fancy small trim set up over here. Well, I didn't like it, and neither should you. So we're going to go ahead and modify the plate. And then I need to replace the brakes. They were broken and damaged on both sides. There's a couple of pieces here and there, but I'm pretty sure we can get it all done up. Not bad for a Monday.